Sometimes I think about how Joan Gordon Webley went up against Dr. Horace Chang to be General Secretary of the Labour Party. I know it sounds outrageous to think about, but I think about it at times and I chuckle. And thank God that the people who voted had foresight to give us Dr. Horace Chang, General Secretary of the Labour Party since 2012, who has taken the Prime Minister through a successful leadership race and has taken the Jamaica Labour Party through 3 consecutive general elections. 3 successful consecutive general elections. What a guy. Dr. Chang is never rude. Dr. Chang doesn't raise his voice. He's very intentional about what and how he communicates. He sticks to the facts and he just gets it done. Everybody who talks about Dr. Chang talks about him with such admiration. They say how he has a special place in his heart for young people and in particular young women, and so he supports those persons as candidates. And I mean, what a blessing to have Dr. Chang as General Secretary of the Labour Party. Big up to Dr. Chang, man. This win is also for you. We are proud of you, Dr. Chang, and I know every supporter of the Labour Party is happy to have you.